that's when the ugly get going. You tell him for me, babe, Gordon Gekko is back.
Look at mommy.
You're happy? Oh, Char. Is that Yum Yum?
So what color do you want under the eyelid?
Oh, you have eyelid to put?
Uh-huh.
Char, are you happy?
Yum.
What are you eating? Char, what are you eating?
Don't get in my way.
What's that called, Charlotte?
Ice cream. What'd you say, ice cream?
I'll be a willing participant, right?